Hi, John here. In this video I will show you how to find 7-figure dropshipping products using Aliexpress, mostly search. First I would like to thank you for watching my videos, and if you would like to see more of them, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you are still not in Ad Federation, my free Facebook mastermind group, then definitely join Ad Federation. It's a great group, it's full of people who spend millions of dollars every month on Facebook. And well, if you have more advanced questions about Facebook ads or e-commerce, then definitely join Operation because we will help you out with these questions. Okay, let's just start in AliExpress. And first I will show you the way how to find those really dropshipping winning products really fast. Okay, what not everybody is doing is like that, finding VIP products, right? So just type here VIP and you will find here like tons of VIP products, basically that are sold by like all these like dropshipping companies, right? And then sort them out based on United States. First, I will explain the VIP products, right? Every product that I'm selling and I'm using AliExpress, I'm always telling my supplier to basically not call it, based on name of the product. I will just tell him like to just name it VIP product and some like a random number or whatever, so nobody can even like recognize what product it is. Then I will tell them to hide it in some like single store, new store, that will have only that one product, so nobody can find any other product in that store, just that one product. Because what will happen if you will find the product and well you will start running it, then other people will like very quickly like catch up on you, right? And they will start copying your ads, and then they will go to AliExpress if they can source it, right? So it happened to me as well in the past, that I was running ads, and I was first one who was running that product. So in like first 2 weeks, I immediately like push it to like tons of money, but immediately some people catch up and start like copying me. And because that product was handmade and you don't need to like sew it, it was very difficult because with these products you need to like put a lot of like Chinese people in a room and they need to like sew it, there were like no other like suppliers, like a couple of them with like almost no sales and mine. Immediately when they saw that I'm buying that product and I didn't have that VIP image there or like VIP name there, they started to like messaging him, and basically I created this price for that product. I made a deal with him, and when I started getting the traction and those competitors came to Express, they basically started buying it with my own price, and they started messaging the supplier. So I told him to like fuck off, and just rename it, so nobody will find out. So you need to always like try to get that product, then make a price, then put it to single store, even put it to different category, okay? So it's like even more protected. Let's say I will show you the exact situation I was talking about, okay? So this product, okay? Here you can see VIP link, and basically name is like any programs contact us before. So it's not the real name, right? But they still have like 1,400 orders. And you can see that this is like custom made, all right? So basically they have United States, let's say that we'll put black, and there's like nothing about that product, right? This is for VIP, right? What you need to do now is basically click on that store and see already here. This is the link 1557, and this is probably a mistake from that supplier, right? So they put exactly same link here with even like name of that product, and well, see, so even with those scores, right? So they basically made a deal with that person, and then because they started into having some traction about this product, they didn't want to lose those people who were coming to that site, so they created also like a real link for this. They were not even scared to use exactly same price, because I'm pretty sure if somebody bought like almost like 1,500 pieces of this thing, then they probably like made their own price. And well, because these people basically publish it with like real images, with real name, with same price, that means that they are trying to like fuck him over probably. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. You need to really like put it to one store and tell that person to never ever even like publish that product in like some real way, or same price, okay, or you are done with him. Because it happened to me before, okay, they did same thing, right? I was running VIP link, and then one day there appeared like real link, right? And basically with same price. So I told him, if he will not put it down, we are like done from there, because I can sell him like those 10 or 20,000 units that he has in stock, but these like other people will not. So if he don't want to like stick with these people, he need to like put it down in like minutes, okay? And they did. So you need to like really like play them and be hard on them, because these Chinese people will like play with you, know. I mean, they are like fine, but still they want to make more money. So you need to really like keep an eye on them, because they will use all arguments, you know, in the world to basically sell more, you know, because just by showing the VIP link they will get traction, but they will not be able to convert these people to customers. But if they will have the VIP link and next to it will they have another link with that product, then basically it's like done, right? Because people, those dropshippers will contact them, they will make a deal with them, and that person who actually was the first one who kind of like build it, well, he can like go home, right? Okay, so let's do another way how to search for products. Well, and that's basically like that obvious one, right? So you can just click on, for example, home improvement tools. You can sort it out by orders, and then you can again check on click on United States, right? I absolutely suggest and definitely recommend you to not do it from China, right? Don't fulfill from China. It's like a suicide, okay? I mean, I heard a couple of like marketers online, they are saying that it's like fine to sell it in like 14 days, you know, and it's like completely okay. I mean, like, it's joke. I mean, Facebook will eliminate you. I mean, most of these people, they don't last long, okay? They are constantly like switching their pages because they are losing them. Definitely like always fulfill from United States. I don't fulfill from China anymore, okay? I have everything in warehouses where I sell. So with this, almost everybody already have stocks in United States, okay? So it's not even a question anymore, because so many people have stock in United States, so you can start here, and it's not like super overpriced. You can really like play with it, okay? So just by like sorting it out based on orders and United States, I already see like tons of products that I was selling in the past, you know, and I can tell you that these products are working, okay? Because like most of these like home improvement tools are like actually legit, okay? So they might not even kill your customer feedback score, but still just check like all these categories, you know, and sort it out based on, you know, this. You can then try to check, for example, I don't know, like building supplies. I mean, probably not, because this is like very difficult to sell on Facebook, you know, it's like drop shipping. But you know, you can just go to different category, home pet, you know, like pet, for example, and again sort it out based on orders, and then sort it out based on United States, okay? Don't do it from China, okay? Just don't. When I'm, for example, launching product, I'm always trying to skip products that has too many variations, right? Too many variations is like dangerous. First, if you are selling something for pets and it's online, and person in those couple of seconds when they are basically giving you their attention need to choose from 7 or like 3, yeah, 6 different sizes online, it will never happen. Or it will happen and then they will want to return it then, and then basically will throw on them like 11 different colors, right? So that's like a suicide. It's like impossible for a person to choose, right? So every time when I'm going with this, I'm trying to launch products that are one size, and I will always like pick one color, right? So usually I pick blue, okay? So definitely like do that, right? And make that process like easiest as possible, so people are not paralyzed by too many options, because too many options in that impulse buy is just like not a good thing, okay? It will a lot of times it will just like kill that sale and people will leave. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped you, because I think probably that Aliexpress search is like a lot better than anything else. I think, well, Facebook is also great, but if I would need to pick like 2 ways how to find products, it would be definitely like AdSpy or that Aliexpress way, because with that Aliexpress, basically you are searching where most people buy, right? Most of your competitors, and it's the easiest way how to like get quick win is to well use them, because well once you get product working, usually some competitors will come, steal your stuff, you know, and try to make money on it. So there is like no reason why you should not steal their stuff and their suppliers and, well, their product ideas and make money for yourself, right? So because here it's like a lot easier, because the AliExpress is like great for search, you know, it's like very smart, and you can find winning products like very fast, you know, by using that VIP tactic, right? Because most big dropshippers will always try to hide their products, you know, and their dropshipping suppliers will always try to fuck them over, okay? So you will be able to find like a lot of these great products, you know, and well, you will be able to make money, you know. So thank you very much for watching, and definitely join Aspiration. And if you got recently flagged, then download my free book, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. I wrote this book to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell, so definitely download it. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.